Alright guys, so we are here on the lower Truro trailhead of the Cobequid Trail. You can pause here if you want and read those signs, if you can zoom up on them. But yeah, I've been meaning to hike this trail for a long time. It's very beautiful out here. We start off here just right in town. Well, not right in town, but heading towards the outskirts of town. This trail is about, in total, is about 11 kilometers, I believe. So a pretty long trail. I have no idea what that is in miles, because Canada, we don't deal with miles or Fahrenheit. It's a bunch of gobbledygook to us. Not sure what up here is. I don't think it's part of the trail I am on. Might be just private property up there, maybe. Farmer. Yeah. Authorized persons only, no trespassing. It's probably pretty interesting up there, but you guys won't see it. You have all kinds of seagulls flying around up there, that's for sure. See, now we're just really getting into the outskirts of Truro. I think we might already be outside of Truro, in Onslow. This is a wastewater treatment facility. That's what that is. Alright. Maybe it's not too cool to go up there. Some stinky water. So we're coming up here on the Fundy now. One of its tributaries, I suppose. Yeah, the classic red mud. Very beautiful. Beautiful. And just ahead here, where my fingers pointed, the shore's edge, the mud there, the clay, whatever it is constantly caving in. Water's flowing down there. You can get down there in the marsh grasses pretty well. I was just along the rock ledge there before I start the video back up. The hiking part of the video, at least. Try to splice some different shots in there. I think I got a few time lapses. Oh, you can see the tidal bore coming in. Yeah, I definitely want to show you guys that. See it in the distance. This is the Tidal Bore here in Truro, Nova Scotia, Canada. I've never seen this before. I didn't know I was in time to see it, but here I am. Wow, that tidal bore is really incredible. I've never seen that before. I've been living here in Truro for, I think, going on 6 years. Maybe it is already 6 years, I don't know. But yeah, I've never seen that until today. I didn't even know I was in time for that. I was just kind of chilling, taking photos, and there it was. I just hiked back around to show you a little before and then after. Really incredible. Just a short amount of time, the difference it makes. All along here I've been noticing it's just non-stop rose bushes. Oh, just a nice copper flew in here. It's a little butterfly. Beautiful softwoods above us. Keeping me nice and shaded. I don't know how this apple tree that's coming up ahead survives in all this shade. Got some decent looking apples ripening on him though. It's gonna be apple picking season really soon. Hopefully I can find some nice wild ones this year. Some really delicious wild ones out there. It's really nice having this in your town. You know, Truro is just such an incredible place. It's really a nature lover's paradise here. Nice little estuary going up through the forest there. A very easy trail to hike as well. I don't know if there's easier out there. It's flat as it comes. Wow, look at this giant hogweed that was just alive not too long ago. Huge. It's as tall as me. See, there's some shots here of it. I don't know if you guys can see it or not with me standing in the way. But yeah, that's taller than me. It's like almost 7 feet. And he's on a slope, so yeah, I don't even know his true height. A little bird box up there. That's cool. All kinds of blackberries over here. Still ripening, most of them. Some of them you can eat. This guy right here, it's a delicious snack. Hopefully that wind is not too bad. I had a bug just fly into the camera, I think. Pretty cool place for the camper. Yeah, we're starting to get further and further away from the water as we walk here now. Make this bend. Oh, it's a nice swamp right here. I bet you there's all kinds of herons down there. Big shorebirds. Oh, there's a shorebird right there, actually. Just missed him. You can see all kinds of pollen or seeds, I suppose, blowing from these fireweed. That's pretty cool. There's a beautiful scene. It'd be even more beautiful if the fireweed was, in bloom. You got a little bit of it left over here. These purple guys. Pretty cool. Such nice views here. Farm meets Fundy. Fundy meets farm. Hello, cows. Look at these guys. Flies all over their face. Not a care in the world. Why would you? You got such a beautiful location to look out on and enjoy. Very fertile grounds. Very nice. Look at that face. Imagine if you had that much flies on you all the time. I imagine you just would stop caring. Look at all the vine and stuff on the side of this hill by the farm here. Must be influenced somehow by whatever agricultural practices are going on there. Nutrients flowing into it somehow. Aww. Old Bessie standing up, giving me her goodbyes. See ya, girl. Bet you they got all kinds of beautiful ducks and stuff along their irrigation ditch. Those lucky cows. Beautiful views. Best life you could live. Alright guys, so I just walked just about 7 kilometers, I suppose, over the last 2.5, 3 hours or so, I think. I checked the time, but I'm using my phone to record, and it's my damn GoPro gave out. Damn you, GoPro. Some birds on the fence up here. Alright guys, I'm going to end it on the bridge up here. There won't be too much to show you past it anyway. Just a short walk to the parking lot. Alright guys, hopefully the footage is okay when I get home, and that you guys enjoy the video. Take care.